Hey everyone, Austin Fenner here at Guarantee RV in Junction City, and today we're going to take a look at this used 2016 Surveyor 226 rear bath. We'll go ahead and start out front. It'll have two brand new batteries on it, nice electric tongue jack here. You see it has a one-piece seamless front cap, so that helps protect everything on the front, and you got this nice diamond plate down below here for driving down the road. As you come around, you got a big full-size pass-through front storage. You can put all your camping gear in there. It looks like they have some goodies in there for someone. Nice slide room right here. The Surveyor is a Arctic package, so it'll have a heated and enclosed underbelly, so it'll do good in cold weather. 3 steps makes it easy to get up inside. Nice big grab handle here. You'll notice as you come in, you have your fridge. It's on the back of the coach, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. Nice size freezer, nice size fridge there. You got a lot of your controls right here on the wall, your slide rooms, your awning, some interior lights are all controlled from right there. The nice thing about a rear bathroom is it gives you a pretty good size bathroom because it's on the back of the trailer. You have a little more room. Nice size toilet, big glass corner shower with the skylight, lets in lots of light. You have your monitor panel right here on the wall, and with it being a Arctic package, they give you tank pad heaters. So there's 12-volt pads on the tank that'll keep them warm so you can't freeze them, which is really nice. Nice large island, gives you that extra counter space. Good size sinks here. Work your way around, you'll notice it is opposing slides, so it gives you lots of room right here in the middle. Your kitchen goes out, your dinette goes out. You got that nice wraparound booth with the table that you can move, take it inside, outside. Lots of storage here. Across the top of the slide room, you do have push button LED lights. To the bedroom, you each have your own entry, which is nice, in these pocket doors. On each side of the bed, you'll have a nice closet there, closet rod. You'll got your 2 drawers, storage across the top, and then on the insides of the walls, there's cubbies right there, so you can put glasses and books, flashlights. You just got a lot of storage right here in the bedroom, which is nice. Hot day like today, ducted AC works amazing. Keep the trailer nice and cold. So you got your AC unit here, and you got your AC ducts across the ceiling. So the whole trailer will cool down nice and even together. Stay really cool when it's hot outside. More counter space over here in the slide. Couple big drawers, more storage here. They give you the recessed glass cooktop there, so that doubles as counter space, and then you just fold that back to have access to your 3-burner cooktop. And then just like that, nice and easy. Quick, easy to open windows. That allows for good ventilation. And your range hood, all easily accessible. And everyone loves storage. You have a big pantry here with adjustable shelves on that side. So it makes it easy to take all your goods with you, and you got a couple drawers down here on the bottom too. So won't forget anything because you can just leave everything in the trailer. And so we'll take a look around the rest of the outside. You do have that full-length awning here. It's all electric. It goes out over the top of the slide room, so it'll give you plenty of coverage when you're sitting out here hanging out. Really nice rack. You can drop this down, put bikes back here, firewood, coolers, quick and easy. Just pull the pin out, and then these 2 center rods right here will fold up, so you can put the handles of the bike on there so you can bring your bikes. Power adapter right here on the back. All your water connections, your city water, your black tank flush is all right here, and a hot and cold outside shower. And your city water, or fresh water, is located right here on the front. Easy to fill, and the other side of your pass-through storage. So it makes it so if anything slides around, nice and easy to get to. And it does have magnetic latches, which is nice. You don't have to forget to lift those up and close it down. So once again, this was a 2016 Forest River Surveyor 226 rear bath. If you have any questions, my name was Austin Fennern. You can reach me on my cell phone, 541-972-2484, or you can reach me at the link below. Thanks.